The 2-gallon trim finish electric air compressor from Stealth combines sleek, modern design with power and portability. Whether you're a household dyer, weekend cyclist, automotive restorations, or advanced woodworker, you'll want to add this compact, oil-free air compressor to your tool bench or garage. Tote the compressor from garage to outdoors or room to room with its rubber-reinforced handle. The 6-foot cord gives you a flexible range for an electric air compressor. Add its small Hotdog air tank, compact size, 16 inches 14-inch 14-inch, quiet motor, and durable parts, and you've got the best air compressor for home use on the market. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Stealth Air Compressor is the perfect solution for taking on tough jobs. Portable enough to bring anywhere. You've got big jobs to do and you want it done faster, easier and quieter. We build the best with the performance you can trust, support you can depend on, and innovation inspired by you. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Electric motor and oil-free pump. The motor is used to power the pump and it is equipped with a thermal overload protector. The pump compresses the air and discharges it into the tank via the piston that moves up and down in the cylinder. Number 2. Air pressure regulator. The regulator is used to adjust the pressure inside the line to the tool that is being used. Turn the knob clockwise to increase the pressure and counterclockwise to decrease the pressure. Number 3. Sturdy handle. The 2.0-gallon air tank is lightweight and very easy to transport. This air compressor is ideal for anyone working inside where noise is a major issue. Number 4. Ultra quiet and 3 times long life. Stealth Innovative Quiet System Air Compressor has been tested to be up to 80% quieter and qualifies to 3 times longer life than standard induction motors. Number 5. Cold weather start and quick recovery. Easy cold weather start and low voltage start. Peak 125 psi 1.8 CFM at 90 psi. Recover from empty tank to full only needs 50 seconds. Number 6. Oil-free and maintenance-free. Peak 3/4 of a horsepower induction safeguard your innovation work complete easily. Oil-free maintenance-free, ideal for garage and creative jobs, life cycle more than 1,000 hours. Number 7. Stable structure and convenient for movement. Stable heavy-duty housing use Q235B steel, rubber-reinforced handle, and lightweight for easy carry and storage. Number 8. What in the box? Stealth SAQ1234 Air Compressor X1, 6 feet electric cord X1, user manual X1, limited lifetime warranty and service. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What size air hose and fitting does it use? 1/2 1/4 Answer. It fit the 1/4 NPT size air hose. Question number 2. Can it be used for detailed airbrush work? Answer. Yes, this should do the job. The max PSI for this unit is 125. Question number 3. What is the exact weight of this compressor? Answer. 42 pounds. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.